Okay, this is the control panel, top right of the unit, power button. Okay, the unit is on. You can see that the current temperature of the unit is 19 degrees, 19. Oh, now it just changed to 20. This is the continuous use button. No timer is set. It will continuously run until you turn the unit off. The light is on now for continuous use. The light is off. Non-continuous use. Run only by the timer. The mode button M will control the setting temperature. The default temperature is set at 50 degrees. When it's flashing or blinking, you can adjust the adjust the temperature. Up, down. 52, 3, 4, 5. 50, down to 45. Okay, so you can set the temperature to your desired heat. Press it again. It now goes to the timer mode. It's now set at 3 hours. 3.0 is 3 hours. 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each 0.1 is 10 minutes. Okay. And last, current temperature setting. So, in the mode button, current set temperature, current timer, and current temperature of the unit. Okay? As you can tell, there is very little sound. And now we will show the demonstration of placing the shoes into the unit. Very simple and easy to use. And you're done.